Guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to create an account on LinkedIn. So as you can see, this is the official website of LinkedIn. What you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and click join now. So what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just enter your email, right? And then you're gonna follow along with a password, all right? And basically, let me just go ahead and add that email and then add or create your password right here, and then follow along by adding your first name and then last name. Okay, and then I'm gonna just go ahead and add it, continue to the next step, and then basically what you're gonna do, they're gonna ask you for a security verification. Now they're gonna do a security check. All you gotta do is verify that you are actually human and you're not some kind of spam. So verify right here, then basically go ahead and click on this one, and then basically you're gonna just follow along the steps, and it says right here somebody already using that email. So basically you gotta enter your job, and you're gonna enter why you are signing up with LinkedIn, and just choose your preference of application. And after following the ongoing or on-screen instructions, you're gonna be able to create your account permanently. So let me know in the comments of this video. Hope to. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.